Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So one of the most common NotebookLM audio overview issues occurs when the generated podcast is spoken in the wrong language, switches languages unexpectedly, mixes multiple languages together, or ignores the language you wanted entirely. Fortunately, most language problems are caused by source language conflicts, notebook settings, generation preferences, or mixed language contents rather than a bug in NotebookLM itself. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix the wrong language in an audio overview in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, check the language of your sources. Like first review your notebook sources, for example PDFs, websites, YouTube transcripts, notes, documents. If your notebook contains English PDFs, French articles, Spanish transcripts, Arabic notes, NotebookLM may struggle to determine which language to prioritize. So consistent source languages produce more consistent audio overview. Okay, use sources in a single language. Like for the best results, keep all sources in the same language. For example, good cases like all English sources, all French sources, or all French or Arabic sources. Problematic, like several languages mixed together. So one language per notebook is often the safest approach. Explicitly specify the desired language. Like before generating the audio overview, provide clear instructions. For example, type to the AI generate the audio overview in French, or use Arabic throughout the discussion, or create the podcast entirely in Spanish. So direct instructions often improve consistency. So never assume NotebookLM will automatically choose correctly. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.